Hello everyone, class 9th, chapter triangles, exercise 7.2, question number 6. Question is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. Here I made the figure triangle ABC. Its side is produced up to D such that AB is equal to AD. So given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. With AB is equal to AC. And side BA is produced. This side BA is produced up to D such that AD is equal to AB. This AD is equal to AB. It is given. Now to prove angle BCD is the right angle. Angle BCD is 90 degree, that we have to prove. Now it is given that angle ABC is an isosceles with AB is equal to AC. With AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. So as we know that by isosceles triangle property, when the sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. These two angles are equal. Since it is also given that AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. That AD is equal to AB. We have produced it. So now AB is equal to AC. So AD is equal to AB is equal to AC implies that AD is equal to AC. Now in triangle ADC, in this triangle AD is equal to AC. So again we apply the isosceles triangle property. So we can say that angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Reason is the angles opposite to equal sides. Now in triangle BCD, that bigger triangle, by angle sum property of a triangle, that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle ABC plus BCD plus CDA, all these three angles are 180 degrees. Now ABC is equal to ACB by equation 1, that ACB is equal to ABC, and BCD plus CDA is equal to 180 degrees. So we have written ACB in place of ABC. Now ACB is already there. Here BCD is an angle. It has two parts, ACB and ACD. So I have written in place of BCD, I have written ACB plus ACD, and the third one CDA is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle BCD is equal to ACB plus ACD. Now here ACB, 1 ACB, it is 2 ACB plus ACD plus CDA is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 ACB plus ACD and CDA is equal to ACD by 2, equation 2, that ADC is equal to ACB because that also are an isosceles triangle. So it is 2 ACB plus ACD plus ACD. In place of CDA, I have written here ACD. So ACD plus ACD, 2 ACD. So it is 2 ACB plus 2 ACD is equal to 180 degree. 2 is common. ACB plus ACD is equal to 180 degree. So ACB plus ACD is equal to 90 degree. Now ACB plus ACD is equal to angle BCD which is 90 degree, hence BCD is a right angle, hence proved.